ASUS unveils ultra-thin Zenbook Pro 15 with Core i9, 4K display, GTX 1050. Recently, ASUS unveiled this week the Zenbook Pro 15, an ultra-thin notebook with 18.9 mm thick and weighs only 1.86 kilograms, but hardware tailored for professionals. In its most expensive version, it comes with a Core processor i9-8950HK, 6-core, and a factory-calibrated 15.6-inch 4K IPS screen for increased color accuracy. ASUS unveiled this week the Zenbook Pro 15, an ultra-thin notebook with 18.9 mm thick and weighs only 1.86 kilograms, but hardware tailored for professionals. In its most expensive version, it comes with a Core processor i9-8950HK, 6-core, and a factory-calibrated 15.6-inch 4K IPS screen for increased color accuracy. Even because of the thin thickness, you cannot expect a notebook aimed at more demanding gamers. The GPU is a Geforce GTX 1050 with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory. But the rest of the hardware includes 8 or 16 GB of 2400 MHz DDR4 RAM and PCIe, NVMe, SSDs with up to 1 TB of capacity. The battery of 71Wh, according to ASUS, has a battery life of up to 9.5 hours and takes 49 minutes to go from 0 to 60%. The highlight appears to be the screen. As reported by AnandTech, the most expensive Zenbook Pro 15 features an IPS LCD multi-touch panel, 10 points, with a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels that covers 100% of the Adobe RGB color spectrum. Moreover, it is factory calibrated to display a delta E less than or equal to 2, to reproduce colors more accurately. There is also a less expensive version with full HD resolution, 100% sRGB coverage and delta E less than or equal to 3. Curiously, the Zenbook Pro 15 even has ports, 2 USB-C, with Thunderbolt 3 and DisplayPort, 2 USB-A, an HDMI, microSD card reader and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On wireless connections, there is Wi-Fi 802.11 AC with transfer rates up to 173 GB/s and Bluetooth 5.0. Moreover, to fully complete the set, a fingerprint reader for Windows Hello and speakers from Harman Kardon also present. The ASUS has not yet informed the Zenbook Pro 15 prices, but do not expect anything much different than what the tech giant Apple charge for a MacBook Pro 15. So, what do you think about this? Simply share all your views and thoughts in the comment section below.